Hello! Now, Millie Grace want to teach us the sign language for the animals. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, good noon. My name is Millie Grace and my family name is Molly, and this is my sign name. I will gonna study and learn sign language for the animals. Are you ready? Bird, cat, dog, horse, goat, chicken, rat, butterfly, snake, cow. Thank you for watching. I love you all.